What's up, campers? In today's 2-Minute Teardrop Tuesday, I can't wait to show you the brand new floor plan for New Camp RV. This is a Tab 360 clamshell. The 2025 clamshell's been in the works for a little while now. Finally, they've got one to fit the adults with 2 twin beds that turn into that nice dinette on the interior. We have that huge propane box up front. Comes with a 2-inch ball and a manual tongue jack, that removable wheel. Big propane box up front now has a separate section for it, so we can lock that storage section. This one has 180 watts of solar up top. Beautiful dresser up front with a bunch of storage. Nice 12-volt fridge. That's one key feature about the 360 is it has a nice huge 12-volt fridge in there. We have our wet bath with the sink that acts as a shower, 12-volt TV, microwave, overhead storage and shelves, dual pane windows, storage underneath, lithium battery. This has a 100 amp hour lithium battery on it. This weighs in just over 3,000 pounds, is just over 18 feet long, is 7.5 feet wide, and 8 foot 10 inches tall. Comes with a cassette toilet with 5 gallons of water, 17 for gray, and 25 gallons for the fresh water tank. On the exterior, we have that beautiful clamshell with the outside kitchen, 2-burner stove, 12-volt fridge on the drawer slide. We have storage, charging, lights, and a stainless steel sink. Over here we have our Nautilus system with all of our water intake and an external shower. Beautiful 235/75 R15-inch tires. Here's a 5-gallon cassette toilet. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you guys like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. And if you want to see a nice thorough walkthrough video of this 360, check out the Extreme Lifestyles channel, which I'll link at the end. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all next week.